What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Thunder reaction video. This Dorman Studio video, which is Thunder Briar reacting. The kid gets newest iPhone before anyone knows. What happens is shocking, Dorman. And we are going to be watching this.
And we lost a really good man. And Gerardo was a gentleman. Remember how he used to love silence? He was so kind, and he always lived life to the fullest. So may you rest in peace.
I'm so sorry. Sorry.
If anyone would like to come up and say some parting words, now would be the time.
Okay, come on, all right? I hardly knew the guy. Don't be disrespectful. Do you want your phone back or not? Fine. Hey, Jackson.
What?
Dare me to do something funny?
No, absolutely not. I'm serious.
Wait. Oh my gosh. I hear something. Oh, he's in there. He's alive. He's alive, everybody. He's alive. Oh, come on, all right? Well, if you're not laughing, you're